guys, so today I am filming a video inspired by Aisha Erotica. I had to add her to my Trans Icons series. I had a lot of people request for me to add her for a very long time, but I didn't feel comfortable while she was away from the spotlight, but she is back, so I wanted to go ahead and honor her with a video. So Aisha is a recording artist. If you're not familiar with her, I definitely recommend that you check out her music. When people ask me who's your favorite musical artist, I always tell them Aisha. I listen to her basically every day. It's almost like all of what I listen to. So the hair and makeup are both inspired by the same photo, and I will put that up right here. The hair is very simple. All I did was did a blowout this morning, and then by the end of the day it was just a little bend in the hair. So all I did was put on the headband and give it some tease. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Aisha, if you see this, I hope you know how much we love you. I'm so glad you're back. I can't wait to hear some of the new stuff that you're cooking up with Chase Icon. Should I add Chase to my Trans Icon series? Methinks. This is a transsexual. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means more to me than I can ever describe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye! Okay, so starting off with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, we're going to go ahead and fill in our eyebrows just a little bit. And we want them to remain thin. And then we're going to go ahead and use the P. Louise base. The eyeshadow I will be using today is the Sugar Pill Taco eyeshadow, and that'll be basically going from lash line to brow, and that's like a white shadow. And then I'll be using Jeffree Star Orgy palette and the color Bed or Floor on my crease. Every day I curse that this palette is so cringy because it's so good. Like Bed or Floor, that's the eyeshadow color. Anyway, so going ahead and applying that throughout the crease, kind of like a light dusting. We're not doing anything too drastic. We want it to pretty much look white from lash line to brow bone, just a little bit of breaking that up, but not too much, like I said. That's why we're not using anything darker or anything like that. Now for eyeliner, I did use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Gothic Beach Proof eyeliner. I can tell you, I can do a full review of these if you want, or I could just tell you I don't like the Gothic Beach Proof eyeliner. This color specifically, I haven't tried the other colors, but the black color I did not find was super black. In comparison to Made by Mitchell, much prefer that. The Gothic Beach eyeliner, yeah, just not it for me. When I applied my lashes, which are magnetic lashes from Think Show Lashes, I got a little bit of eyeliner on my eyeshadow. So I wanted to kind of show you how I clean that up here. What I do is I take a little bit of a makeup removing wipe, take that off, apply a touch of the base that I use, which is the P. Louise, and then go back over it with the powder, the eyeshadow that I used, and it is good as new. You can't tell the difference. So that's my little trick if you smudge a little bit of eyeliner up too far. The eyeliner that I smudged was the Think Show Lashes magnetic eyeliner for the magnetic eyelashes that I used. For primer, I used the NYX Plump Right Back Serum and Primer. And then I used the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. And I went ahead and I used my Real Techniques Beauty Blender on my forehead and chin. And then I used my finger under my eyes. For foundation, I used the L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation, and I used a foundation brush to just spread this all over and then went back over and gave it the skin kind of look with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. For the Gothic Beach Proof eyeliner, I honestly didn't think it was like super saturated and black. Like I said, my Made by Mitchell one, absolutely love it. It's my favorite eyeliner that I've ever tried. And it does not compare. I'm thinking of doing a cry test of the Jeffree Star eyeliner. I don't know if that's something people want. I honestly thought about just like applying the colors underneath my eye, like 4 in a row. Obviously not for like look or anything, but just seeing if my tears will make a smudge. I don't know if I should do that, maybe. I don't know. That way I can give like a full review of it or whatever. But anyway, so yeah, going ahead and applying that foundation, like I said, with the foundation brush, and then I'm going ahead and stamping all over just to kind of get out any of the brush strokes or brush marks. I want to make sure that it is looking like skin and not looking like it's sitting on top of my skin, so to speak. I also went ahead and used the e.l.f. Light Medium Halo Glow Contour. And I went ahead and applied a little bit of a cheekbone. Normally I just do the perimeter, but I did do a little bit of a cheekbone because Aisha's cheeks in this photo have a bit of a bronze tint. It looks bronzy to me at least, but it doesn't look like a definitive stark line. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do here is just blend that all out and making sure that it is all seamless along the perimeter of the face. For blush, I used the Made by Mitchell Teach and Peach blush. I don't know what these fucking companies, I don't know what's up with these companies and these names, but Made by Mitchell blush, the liquid blush, Teach and Peach, love this color. If you can't understand what I'm saying, it'll be down below because I probably sound like I have marbles in my mouth when I say it. But it is down below if you wish to check it out. For powder, I used the MAC Studio Fix powder with the white color under my eyes and then just my skin color all over my face. The white color is Shivering White, and I used that under my eyes to really, really give that brightening effect that Aisha has. And I went ahead and used, for loose powder, the e.l.f. Soft Luminance High Definition Setting Powder. I am now officially out of this loose setting powder, so I will be moving on to another one. I love it. I would definitely repurchase it if I didn't have a very large collection of loose powder that I want to go through, but I definitely recommend the e.l.f. Soft Luminance High Definition Setting Powder if that's something that you are in the market for, of course. And once I have that all on, I'm going to go ahead and go back under my eyes with the Shivering White powder just to reinforce that white that I had under there. I want to like re-brighten it up. Then I'm using the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronze. If you want something comparable to this, I definitely recommend getting the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. That is the drugstore option that I like. It's literally the same thing basically as the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronze. For the powder blush, I used Sheen's or She Glam, the Tangerine Lightweight Matte Blush, which is absolutely beautiful. I did also use, I forgot to mention, the Made by Mitchell in the Nude All Smudge No Budge eye pencil. So this is that She Glam Tangerine blush that I used, and just applying that along the kind of outside of the cheek, not like right towards the nose, more so towards the outside of the cheek. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean my lips off, and I'm using the Bobbi Brown Bobbi Lip Pencil. The name of it is Bobbi. Oh yes, and I did forget to use my setting powder or setting spray, so I used the Cream Shop and Hello Kitty Celebrate Setting and Priming Spray. Then I use the Jeffree Star Diet Mannequin Velvet Trap lipstick, and then I use, just with my finger, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Let Me Be Perfectly Clear gloss. And I use my finger because I don't want to kind of mark up the inside of the clear gloss. I like to use my finger with clear gloss just so that it doesn't change the color. But anyway, the hair is very easy. Take a headband and take a bang out and keep a piece out on the side, and just give it huge big tease, lots of volume. Just have it be sexy, kind of bedroom hair, and you're good to go. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye!